Hello YouTube, and today I'll be showing you guys what I got for Christmas this year. I know I'm kind of late on this video because Christmas was a couple of days ago, but I don't really care. I never got time to upload it. So let's go. First thing I got was some shoes. Adidas Samba. Adidas. Samba in gold right there. Good traction. Next thing I got was some more shoes. Puma Liga in gold. Got the Puma on the back, Puma on the bottom in white, Puma on the inside in green. Let's go. You got Puma on the tongue in gold. We got suede. Next thing I got was pick this up. Madden NFL 25. Oh yeah, this game doesn't need an online pass. And next thing I got was Call of Duty Ghosts. Disc right there. Next, I got NBA 2K14. LeBron James on the cover. Number one selling rated NBA video game. Create your own legacy. LeBron James. Road to Greatness mode. Andre Iguodala. We got LeBron James. We got Kobe. Headset right there. You got DualShock 3. HD video output. Required hard drive space. Network players 2 through 10. You got, also multiplayer, leaderboards, lobbies, / matchmaking, / messaging, friends, invite and game, voice chat, and trophies. Next thing I got was, some cologne. And guys, that's all I got for Christmas. I didn't get that much this year, as much as I usually get. And Hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye, YouTube.